So this is my bike, 2011 Z1000. She's nice and clean, as you can see. Pretty much all standard exhaust, standard manifolds on the bike at the moment. And yes, as you can see, standard manifolds there. So today shall be putting on the Blackwidow single system manifold on the bike, which will be then connecting onto this side of the bike a Leovint's SBK full titanium rear muffler on the bike, and then we'll be going to get a dyno tune. And with that also we'll be putting on a quick shifter as well on the bike when it gets tuned. We also have some new spark plugs to put in there to make sure that they're right. And also we do have also a BMC high performance air filter that's going to be going on there as well. So yeah, we're just going to do a quick sound check, how the bike sounds standard, and we'll see how she's going to sound later. Sounds a bit like a vacuum cleaner if you ask me. Stay tuned. So just got the bike up on the lift so we can work nice and easy. And yeah, this is what we're going to be tackling today. The manifolds have to come all off, the O2 sensor. Going to get rid of that big fat catalytic converter, that big box there, all weight for nothing, and restricting us a lot as well. So wish me luck, guys. So just got the bike up on the lift so we can work nice and easy. And yeah, this is what we're going to be tackling today. The manifolds have to come all off, the O2 sensor. Going to get rid of that big fat catalytic converter, that big box there, all weight for nothing, and restricting us a lot as well. So wish me luck, guys. So just getting all the covers off, and you can see this is where we need to tackle up there, which I think we're going to get there very shortly. Stay tuned. So as you can see, the manifolds have been taken off. Now I have fully cleaned inside the brass copper gaskets, which are actually in there. They didn't come off. I've cleaned, I've greased, so everything stays nice and fresh over the time. Very important. And over here, as you can see, there's the old manifold. Quite a heavy little thing at the back there, but not so heavy in the front. So yes. And also you can see here, everything is laid out, and they do number everything. So you can see on all the parts what where they go, giving you all the springs and the bung there for the O2 sensor if you wish to delete it. Everything is numbered, as you can see. We also have, they also give you some instructions in the box. This here is the link pipe, and also all the fittings. So yeah, happy days. Should come out good. So we're getting to the installation part now. As you can see, they do give you some instructions, okay? Pretty straightforward ones, right? And as you can also see here, they're all numbered, like I said before, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, you have here on the, where they link up A, B, and so forth. Now, the only thing in the instructions that they don't mention is which is number 1 and which is number 4. So basically, always starting from the left-hand side of the bike with number 1 and coming to this side, which is number 4. and it's pretty straightforward. And the other thing I also recommend is when you do put on the manifold, the long pipes there, keep them loose like I have at the moment. I've got them all loose, yeah, and link up all the springs that need to go on first before you come and you tighten up everything. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty simple, nothing nothing that you can't do at home yourself, let's say. Yeah, that's my 2 cents worth. So as you can see, we've come towards the end of installation for this part anyway. We've gone from the twin system to a single system, which we're now then going to get the bike taken to get it linked up from here on. Everything went on nice and easy, as you can see. And now we're about to be ready for first start, just to see what she sounds like with nothing on, which we all want to always hear. Right, so as you can see, manifolds all on, and we always want to hear our bikes with no muffler on there after we just put a set of manifolds on there. So let's just give it a quick start and see the difference. That's loud and sounds awesome. So on the next video, we're going to see the installation of the air filter, spark plugs and the quick shifter. And then the bike will get taken to GPX Performance, where the Leo Vince is going to cut and do whatever he needs to do there to mate it together with this system. And then we're going to be on the dyno. Stay tuned.